Share your internet and your phone earns you money when it's connected to either your Wi-Fi or mobile internet. Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your boy Aki with another latest way to make money with. If you want to get passive online income video or how to get money from home, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, and also smash the like button and get ready for the video. If you have comments, suggestion or question, let me know in the comment section. Keep watching up to the end so you don't miss any steps. I have placed the link in the description below. When you touch the link, it will redirect you to this website and touch the download for Android option. Then it will download the application. Then touch the 3-line button on the top and you will get the sign up button. Then touch the sign up button and you will be redirected to sign in with Facebook or with Google. If you touch with Google, you will have to choose your Google account. And when you choose a Google account, it will automatically goes to the dashboard of your account. Then you should have to confirm your email. Touch the confirm email button and go to your email. Then the application will send you an email to verify your email. Then touch the verify my email button. Then install the application. After you install the application, open the application and then agree to the terms. You can read it the whole, but I will skip the agreement part. If you want, you can read it all. Then it says, welcome to Honeygain. Share your unused internet and earn money with the best passive income app out there. You can skip the introduction part. Share your internet and your phone earns you money when it's connected to either your Wi-Fi or mobile internet. Touch the next button. Earn more on all devices. Just install Honeygain. Just install the application on your favorite device. Make sure they are connected to different networks or IPs. Invite everyone to join. Help others to join Honeygain and get 10% of what they earn. The more they share, the more you get. You can invite your friends, families, brothers and sisters, and you can post your link on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram. Sit back and earn. You don't have to do anything after you install this application. Just keep the app on and let your earning grows. Then touch the proceed to startup button and the application will automatically start working. And before that, you should have to set some settings. As you can see, use mobile data. I will touch the no button because I don't want to use my mobile data for this application. I only want to use my Wi-Fi connection. Then allow usage on battery. Yes, if the application doesn't use the battery, it will stop immediately. So allow usage on battery. Yes. Then touch the done button. Then go to the more option and touch the login button. Fill your email and the password there. Then touch the login button again. It will redirect you to the dashboard. Earn more with Mac OS or Windows. Our desktop app gets much more traffic and earn more. Get the Mac OS or Windows apps now. You can click on don't show me again button, or you can, if you have a Mac OS or Windows, you can also install the application and earn more and more. As you can see, currently the application is running and there is no balance right now, but in the future you will see in your application your earning will grow. So the payout is 0.00%. When the time passes, the payout will fill to 100%. When the minimum payout threshold is reached, the payout button will open and you can withdraw your money to PayPal or Bitcoin. So the minimum threshold is $20, and when you get to $20 you can pay out to PayPal or Bitcoin.
So that's it everyone, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you how to earn. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Stay cool and have a great day.